Hello, my dear students. Now we are having a next question, that is question number 23. A metal wire PQ of mass at 10 gram lies at rest on the two horizontal metal rails separated by 4.9 centimeter. A vertical downward magnetic field of magnitude zero point 0.8 Tesla exists in the space. The resistance of circuit is slowly decreased, and it is found that when the resistance goes below 20 ohm, the wire PQ slides start sliding on the rails. Find the coefficient of friction. So definitely in this case, okay, when the current is start to flow, let us consider this I current. Okay, and this I current, if we are decreasing this resistance R, so this I current will increase. That is the concept. Okay, what is the concept? If you are decreasing the current, the resistance R of this circuit, definitely this I current will increase, because that is the definition of resistance which opposes the flow of current. Okay, so this I definitely will increase at a certain point. Okay, and due to this I current, definitely this PQ wire will experience a force. And what is the direction of force? Let us consider this direction of force. This magnetic field will be in into the plane of this paper, and the current is flowing in this downward direction. Okay, current will flow in this downward direction. Okay, according to circuit, because this positive terminal, and from this positive terminal current is start to move. Okay, so this current is moving in downward direction, magnetic field in inward direction, so force will be in right hand side direction. So that is the direction of force. Okay, so this force will balance the friction force, on this rail. Okay, this friction force. Okay, and when this friction force will become, or this F will become equal to friction force, then after the maximum limiting friction force, then after this wire start to slide, and that the same case we have to find. So at the minimum value of R, means the maximum value of I, when this current, this wire start to slide, so this force ILB should be equal to mu mg. Okay, and this is the limiting friction force, that is the maximum friction force. So we are balancing this. Okay, what is this I? This I is equal to, okay, this I is equal to V by R, and V is equal to 6 and R equal to 20. That is given in the question. Okay, it is equal to 3 by 10, this current I. Okay, so we are just placing the value of this I. So this 3 by 10, and the length which is given as 4.9 centimeters. So 4.9 into 10 raised to power minus 2, because we have to convert into the meter also. And the magnetic field VB, that is 0 0.8 Tesla, is equal to mu, this mu required to find. And M, what is M? That is the 10 grams. So 10 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Okay, because we want to convert this gram into kilogram. Okay, and this G, that is 9.8. We have to use this G as 9.8, because 4.9 is given in the question. So this 4.9 and 9.8 will cancel two times. Okay, so this 3 into zero point 0.8 into 10 raised to power minus 2 divided by 10 is equal to mu into this 10 into 2 will become 20 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Okay, so what is mu? Mu is equal to 3 into 0 0.8 into 10 raised to power minus 2 divided by 10 into 2020 into 10 raised to power minus 3. So this 10 into 10 raised to power minus 3 will become 10 raised to power minus 2, and this 10 raised to power minus 2 and 10 raised to power minus 2 will cancel out. So we will get 3 into 0 0.8 divided by 2020. Okay, so 3 into 0.8 will become 2.4 divided by 20. So it will become 0.12. Okay, and this friction coefficient is equal to 0.12, and there is no unit of this friction. Okay, thank you very much.